Dear students of 10th class, today let me introduce you about the short story section of your English textbook, 10th class English textbook. And the first short story in your textbook is entitled as Necklace. The Necklace. And this short story, it teaches us multiple themes. And so far as the central character of this short story is concerned, this short story, it is about a girl whose name is Matilda Liesel. As far as this girl Matilda Liesel is concerned, she is born in a poor family of clerks. And this girl, though born in a poor family, she is having lofty aspirations. She is having high dreams. She dreams of having things of luxury, like a bungalow, like multiple luxurious things, jewelry. She wants to have good costumes, and she wants to be loved and admired. And as far as her man dream is concerned, she wants to move into a rich society. She wants to get hitched with a rich man. वो किसी अमीर घराने में जाना चाहती है, अपनी शादी किसी अमीर लड़के से करना चाहती है. But as a matter of fate, she got married with a petty clerk. लेकिन किस्मत की बात है, उसको एक पेटी क्लर्क, एक मामूली क्लर्क के साथ शादी हुई उसकी. Thus, Matilda always remained unhappy. वो हमेशा नाखुश रही अपनी जिंदगी पे. Because the clerk was not in a position to afford all sorts of luxuries to Matilda Liesel. क्योंकि जो क्लर्क था, ये मल्टीफेरस लग्जरीज इसको प्रोवाइड नहीं कर सका. एंड वंस अपॉन अ टाइम they had received an invitation to attend a minister's party, to attend a minister's ball. Akh do ay yimon akh invitation akh yimon os akis ministers party mans attend karun dawat nama os yimon. But still Matilda was unhappy. फिर भी Matilda नाखुश हुई. Why she is unhappy? वो क्यों नाखुश है? Because she is not having jewelry, she is not having garment, she is not having good clothes. That is why her dreams remain dreams. Now, in order to attend the minister's ball, Matilda Liesel, she borrowed a necklace, a diamond necklace from a rich friend of hers, whose name was Madame Forestier. उसने अपने एक फ्रेंड जिसका नाम मैडम फोरेस्टिया था, उससे एक डायमंड नेकलेस उधार ली. एंड एट द मैरिज पार्टी, इन अ स्टेट ऑफ मैरिमेंट, एट द मिनिस्टर्स बॉल, शी हैड लॉस्ट द नेकलेस. Now, what did they do? What did the Liesels do? Now, Mr. Liesel, accompanied with this Matilda Liesel, they borrowed money at a very high rate of interest, amounting rupees 36,000 francs to replace the lost necklace. Yimon pe 7,000 francs अनन युथ यम अक डायमंड नेकलेस मल हेहन, अक माल मल हेहन, सो करहन दियन अमिस वापस युस मैडम फोरेस्टियर अमिस निश उधार अनम. नाउ दैट वाज द कॉज ऑफ मैटिल्डाज ruin. इसलिए जो फैमिली है इसकी ये बर्बाद हो गई. They became wretched. They were in a state of miserable plight. Thus, we can simply say that this short story necklace, it portrays the message that we should be content with what life gives us. First message of this short story is जो हमें जिंदगी में मिला है, रब ने दिया है, अल्लाह ताला ने अता किया है, उस पे हमें इत्मीनान रखना चाहिए. Es gets तसल्ली आसुन यस खुदा ताला सूझमुत आस. We should have next point is when we have not what we like. जब हमारे पास वो चीज नहीं होगी जो हम चाहते हैं, we must like what we have. जो हमारे पास है हमें वही चीज लाइक करना चाहिए. When we have not what we like, we must like what we have. This is the second theme of this story. And the third theme, most important theme of this story is that our happiness, it does not depend upon the number of material things we have. जो हमारी happiness है, जो हमारी खुशी है, ये किस चीज पर डिपेंड नहीं करती है कि हमारे पास कितनी दौलत है, उस पे दारमदार नहीं रखता है. Rather, our happiness depends upon our capacity to limit our own desires. जो हमारी हैप्पीनेस है ये किस चीज पर डिपेंड करता है, ये उस चीज पर हमारी कैपेसिटी, हमारी एबिलिटी पर डिपेंड करता है कि हमें कितनी एबिलिटी है कि हम अपने ख्वाहिशात को कम करें. क्योंकि द मोर आवर डिजायर्स, जितनी हमारी ख्वाहिशात होंगे, द लेस हैप्पियर वी आर, उतने हम कम खुश होंगे. एंड द लेस आवर डिजायर्स, जितनी हमारी ख्वाहिशात ज्यादा होंगी, कम होंगी, द लेस आवर डिजायर्स, जितने हमारी ख्वाहिशात कम होंगी, द मोर हैप्पी वी आर, उतने ज्यादा हम खुश होंगे. सो इट मीन्स दैट वी मस्ट ऑलवेज कट अवर कोट अकॉर्डिंग टू अवर क्लॉथ. अस पज तुत हमेशा खोर त्राउन यूता अस पे चादर बुड़ित आसन. एंड सो फार एज मैटिल्डा लाइजल इज कंसर्न्ड, मैटिल्डा लाइजल forgets all these things and she makes her life simply we can say she makes her life a tale of misery. जो मैटिल्डा लाइजल है उसने ये तमाम चीजें एक तरफ छोड़ी और उसने अपनी जिंदगी को क्या बनाया, a tale of misery, मुसीबतों की कहानी. उसने अपनी जिंदगी को मुसीबतों की कहानी में कन्वर्ट किया. Again, I would like to repeat this, that the theme of this story is that, main point, our happiness does not depend upon the number of material things we have, but it depends upon our capacity to limit our own desires. The more our desires, the less happy we are. The less our desires, the more happy we are. The more our desires, the less happy we are, and the less our desires, the more happy we are. And Matilda, she forgets all this and makes her life a tale of misery. How she makes her life a tale of misery? Because she belonged to a poor family, but she always longed to live a life of luxury. That proved to be the cause of her ruin. We should have known that one should cut one's coat according to one's cloth. Thus, she could have avoided the ruin of life and all her happiness if she would have followed these things, this universal truth. Thanks a lot. Tomorrow we'll discuss on the other short story.